The era of smart lighting has arrived. It saves time and labor and reshapes comfortable living spaces. Constant current independent tunable white LED driver with 4 core advantages for a comprehensive experience. Adopts flip-top design, no tools required. Push-in wiring, supports thick cables, effortless installation. Supports intelligent networking, energy monitoring, and remote maintenance. Smooth and seamless dimming and color tuning, flicker-free at all brightness levels. Dimming depth reaches 0.1%. No more complex traditional programming. Smartphone and FC wireless debugging with tap-to-right function boosts installation efficiency and simplifies later maintenance. View devices and basic DALI parameters with commissioning and maintenance at a glance. Wide output current range of 150–1050 milliamperes. Supports 1 milliampere step adjustment for flexible power control. Compatible with SeriesDALI for eye controllers for smart luminaire applications. Supporting bus mounting and intelligent lighting systems. Widely compatible with mainstream LED lights, downlights, panel lights, spotlights. Ideal for commercial, office, and residential lighting.